unboxing an Elite Trainer box, booster box, Lost Origin, Sword and Shield. This is my first ever Pokemon card purchase in general. I've never played the Pokemon games as a kid, but I'm getting into it now. And I saw this at Best Buy, and it was the last box and I had to buy it. So, looks like we got a player guide here. Tells you how to play the game. Alright, looks like we got 3 little sections here, but yeah, it's got a really cool box in it. Looks like we got some dice. Alright. And we also got like a pin, a V-Star pin. And we also got some damage counters. It looks like we got some sleeves. Wow, that's actually really cool. Gold. Definitely have to use that later. It looks like we also have these little card separators. I don't know what they're called, but they're really cool. Got the Giratina, a whole pack of energy right there. And here's the main thing right here. 8 booster packs. We'll be opening them. Alright, let's go. So we're gonna go with the first pack here. Alright, give me something good. It was a little bit hard for me to open these packs, but I eventually learned how to do it. I had a really tough time. Alright, there we go. Hopefully not struggling a little bit. Alright, this is code card. Electric energy. Got a Lampent. Got an Iskin or Iskin. Dottler. Paras. Inke. Basculin. Bantump. Akuhita. An Oddish. Hollow. It's got like a hollow thing on it. And Rhyperior. It's real nice. Not the best. Pack number 2. It was so hard to open. I was being careful, I swear. Being as careful as I can be. Alright, finally, there we go. I got it. Alright. Flip it over. Got a code card. I'll show it again right here. Got a fighting energy. Got a Seviper. Stonkfish. Box of Disaster. A Litwick. Another Oddish. Love Disc. Phalanx. Poliwag. Spinarak. Oh, reverse hollow Glastrier. Very nice. That looks sick. Gonna sleeve it. Is this pack number 3? Alright, so for a rare, or better, this code card. Normal energy, or is that steel? Steel Energy, I think. Ampibomb. Bomb the Snow. Damage Pump. Suian Zora. Snover. Got a Machop. Pikachu. Jinx. Mimikyu. Hollow. Very cool. Parasect. Sleeve that Mimikyu. Gonna rip it through the middle this time. I thought it'd be easier. Man, they make it look easy. Alright, code card. Grass Energy. Licky Lily or Licky Licky. Luminion Wind-Up Arm. A Wurmple. Clefairy. A Lickitung. A Horsey. Shuppet. Hollow. Haunter. Okay, that's cool. That is really cool. And a Dugong. Alright, not the best. Come on, let's get something better than this. Gonna go ahead and sleeve the Haunter. Alright, this pack, I am confident. Alright, finally, it took forever. Alright, got code card. Fire Energy. Oh, that's a good card. I need that. Lost Vacuum, Silcoon, Trainer, Porygon, Inkay, Blipbug, another Blipbug, man. Finneon, Spinarak, another Spinarak. Oh shoot, it's like a full art hollow. Chandelure. I actually messed up here. I thought that was the rare, so I tried to sleeve it when there's another card bind. Got a Enamorous V, man. Such a cool card. Gonna go ahead and sleeve the Chandelure as well. Here we go, on to the next pack. Alright, come on, let's get lucky. There's a code card. Dark Energy. Alright. Swanna, Hariyama, a Nuzleaf, Oddish, Love Disc, Falinks, Poliwag, Gligar. Whoa, Pikachu VMAX. Full art, dude, that is crazy. And a reverse hollow Chandelure. Back-to-back Chandelures. Definitely one of my favorite ghost type Pokemon. And that Pikachu, that is real nice. We're gonna go ahead and sleeve this Chandelure. Get that done. And we're gonna go ahead and take the Pikachu. So cool, man. Sword and Shield. Sword and Shield packs. I really like them. card is the Gigantamaxing and stuff. I'm actually doing a playthrough of Sword and Shield right now. Alright, got a code card. Oh, and energy is a V-Star card. So I got a little V-Star card instead of some energy. Alright, we got Torkoal, Trainer, Relicanth, Agumi, Mawile, Slugma, Clefairy, Roselia, Stonejourner Hollow. Ah, that's cool. Landorus. Alright, not the best. Alright, last pack magic. That's a code card. The water energy. Machoke. Barrage Gate, that's a good card. Cascoon. Shellos. Growlithe. Ducklet. It's got a really weird picture on it. Rockruff. Seal. Blipbug. Hollow. Okay. Oh my gosh. Full art alternate. Full art alternate Giratina V. I had no idea what to do with my left hand. I'm being so careful. So nervous. And we're gonna double sleeve it. Man, that is just so crazy. First ever Pokemon card purchase. I can't say I'm fully addicted now. Yep, my hands are shaking. You can see that. I was freaking out. And I saw in the booklet here all the cards that came in this set. I really like the rainbow ones, so that was very cool. And I saw right there, that's the card I got. You can check it off. Check off, they got little boxes right there for you to check off on. Collect the whole thing. There's a good look at the card. Man, that's just full art. It just looks so good. Such a good card. And those are all the pulls I got. Thank you guys for watching. That'll be it.